Drake, please enjoy the last piece of apple strudel, your loving brother Josh. Sweet. Strudely. Drake? Hey, you were supposed to give me a ride home from school. Oh, sorry, man. I waited as long as I could. How long did you wait? Like 20, 30 seconds?
Well, thanks a lot. I had to walk all the way home. A wiener dog chased me for 6 blocks.
Who runs from a wiener dog?
The point is, when I ask you to wait for me, What are you doing?
Standing here, chewing on strudel.
That was my last piece of strudel.
Yeah, you said I could have it.
I did no such thing.
Yeah, you did.
You know Grammy sent me that strudel for my birthday, and I told every person in this house, paws off.
You left me a note saying I could have it.
Show me the note.
You want to see the note?
Show me the note.
I'll show you the note. Property of Josh, do not eat.
Ha!
Oh.
Oh.
Hey. Any strudel left?